Welcome to our next experiment called Colorful Flow. For this, you'll need from your kit the volcano base, baking soda, citric acid, your yellow measuring spoon, your beaker, and a coloring agent. For this experiment, I've chosen red. From home, you'll need to supply a paper plate, some dishwashing soap, and water. Place your volcano base on the plate and add 2 heaping spoonfuls of baking soda to the large crater. Add to that 1 heaping spoonful of citric acid and stir to mix these well. Into your beaker, add 15 milliliters of water, 1 spoonful of dishwashing liquid, and 1 to 2 drops of your coloring agent. Now, get ready for a colorful flow.